This is section 8.1. Okay, so in 8.1, we're learning about addition reactions. Actually, in all of chapter 8, we're learning about addition reactions to alkenes. And what this means is we're going to take an alkene and we're going to add something to it across the double bond so that we have two things added. And there are a lot of special names for the types of additions that we can do, but you'll notice that they follow a certain pattern in their naming. And that is that we're going to say explicitly in the weird name what it is we do. So typically, you're going to have an ation suffix, which tells you that you're performing some action on the alkene, just as we've seen before. And then before the ation suffix, the name is going to tell you exactly what is happening to the alkene. So in this case, hydrohalogenation tells you that a hydrogen and a halogen, like Cl, Br, or I, are added across the alkene bond. Similarly, you could have hydration. Hydra, like hydro, means hydrogen and hydroxyl or alcohol groups are added across the alkene bond. Hydrogenation tells you that two hydrogens are added across the alkene bond. Halogenation tells you two halogens are added across the alkene bond, where halogens can be either chlorine, bromine, or iodine. Similarly, you can have halohydrin formation, which tells you halo for halogen and hydra for alcohol. So alcohol and halogen addition across the alkene bond. You could also have dihydroxylation. Hydroxyl, again, is this OH group, and di means two of those. So two OH groups across the double bond. And the general mechanism for this type of reaction is shown here. There are two. We're either going to be protonating a double bond, as you see here. So the double bond electrons are going to come out and grab a hydrogen, and those electrons are going to flow right back to the A group, as we see it there, to give you a protonated alkene with a carbocation, or and the kicked out anion, or you'll have an alkene that attacks some electrophile, because remember, pi bonds can be nucleophilic, to give you an electrophile bond that also has a carbocation. So these are the main types of reactions we're going to be learning about in the addition chapter 8, and I hope that you find them useful.